Hi guys! Today I'm going to review this new Daiso UV-LED resin. I bought this for $2 and this one is the new packaging than the previous UV resin, this one. This UV-LED resin contains 5 grams and it's made in Japan. This said UV-LED lamp, 6 watts to 9 watts. It can be cured for 60 to 90 seconds. If you use UV lamp, 36 watts, it can be cured for 2 to 4 minutes. And this one, it may be like cloudy outdoor 3 to 10 minutes. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. The tip looks like this. It's quite different from other UV-LED resin. This is really small one, so I'm gonna put just 1 drop of it. So we're gonna cure this droplet for 40 seconds. Now let's see if it's cured enough or not, because in the packaging said that it's cured for 60 to 90 seconds, not 40 seconds. It's still a bit sticky, so now I'm gonna add 60 seconds to cure it again. Now let's see if it's cured. It cured well. No sticky residue anymore, and it's clear enough. You can see, right? It's clear enough, but at the bottom it's a bit cloudy, maybe because I use baking paper, so like we need to cover it again with the UV resin. Next we're gonna add pigments. I'm gonna use this and this soft pastel, and I'm gonna compare with the Daiso UV color resin. It's red color. I'm just gonna add a bit. Now I'm blending. Now add the UV color resin. Now I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. For your information, the more you add color pigments, the longer time you need to cure. So it's already done. Let's check. I'm gonna put labels here. So this one is a color pigment, this soft pastel and Daiso UV color resin. These two are from UV-LED resin. So we're gonna check if there's any sticky residue or not. There's no sticky. This is also not. And it's still sticky and there's still not cure enough. You can see, right? This normal UV resin need more time to cure, maybe like 2 minutes or 4 minutes more. And you can see this one, there's a little bubble. Better poke the bubble before curing. It doesn't really that matter. I'm using 6 watts UV-LED nail lamp Son Mini. So it's really accurate. The packaging said that 6 watts to 9 watts, it can be cured for 60 to 90 seconds. Now the last step, I'm gonna combine these two, and I'm gonna use this mold, this one from Daiso Japan also. I'm gonna use this shape. Now I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. Now let's check if it's already cured enough or not. This one still sticky. We still need more time to cure. But this part, it's not sticky, only just a normal UV resin. So I think the normal UV resin still need really longer time than UV-LED resin. So this combination is not that good for quick drying. So it's better if you want to have a quick drying, you should use this UV-LED from Daiso. Now I'm gonna add the UV-LED resin. Add some pink glitters. Now cure it for 60 seconds. Okay, it's done already. I'm gonna check. No residue. This one, it's very clear. It's not sticky at all. It's already fine. I really recommend this UV LED resin from Daiso. This one a bit fail. I don't really suggest you to combine, because if you want to combine, you have to use UV lamp or any kinds of UV LED lamps with highly wattage. This UV LED resin from Daiso really works well with glitters, color pigments, soft pastel, and also eyeshadow. You can color your UV resin with any kinds of pigments that compatible with the UV resin. I hope you enjoy my review and my experiment with this UV LED resin from Daiso. Compare with this color resin from Daiso also. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you have any question of it, you can leave it comment below, and I will make sure to answer all of your questions. Thank you. Bye bye.